Now children, you can see here passive passive voice is written. So here the chapter begins. Sentences in which the subject performs the action and the object receives it are said to be in the active voice. See the example. Mohini brought the cake. Mohini is the subject, brought is the verb, and cake is the object. So the subject Mohini is performing an action and the action is of bringing the cake. So this is said to be in the active voice. Now if we change this sentence into passive voice, the sentences in which the subject receives the action, the object is placed in position of the subject and the verb is in the passive form are said to be in the passive voice. See the example. The cake was brought by Mohini. See in the first example, the cake was placed as the object. Now this object will come and take the place of the subject. The cake will be written first, then the verb will be written, was brought, then preposition by, then the object. Now the subject Mohini will come where the object cake was. So their places, as I told you in my previous video, their places have been interchanged. Now you can see active voice. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus object. Then passive voice, object which now becomes the subject plus form of be. Form of be means is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be, whatever form is suitable, you will write that. Plus the third form of the verb plus by plus object. Now this object is actually the subject which has come in the place of the object. Now I had told you some important points which you have to keep in mind while changing the active voice into passive voice. First point was it changes the function of the subject and the object. It changes the function of the subject and the object. Their places are interchanged, and when the places are interchanged, their function also interchanges. It changes the form of the verb. That means the first form of the verb changes into third form of the verb, or the second form of the verb changes into third form of the verb. But the tenses do not change. I have told you the tenses will not change. A helping verb may be added, like is, are, am, was, were, been, being will be added. The third form of the verb will be added. Now see, intransitive verb cannot be expressed in the passive form. That means the verbs which don't require any object, they are complete in their meaning by themselves. They don't require any, they cannot be changed into passive voice. For example, they laughed heartily. You can't change this into passive voice because this sentence does not require any object. Now the questioning words are changed as follows. Questioning words means those sentences which begin with a question word. Who, what, when, where and how. Who will change into by whom. What, no change. When, no change. Where, no change. How, no change. Then personal pronouns change their form as follows. This I have told you that you should write in your fair copy, and this you should learn also. How personal pronouns will change? I will change into me, we into us, he into his or him, she into her, they into them, you into you, and it into it. Now let us see in different tenses how things will become. In simple present tense, verb will remain in the first form, s or es, then do or does. She loves chocolates. In the passive form, is, are, am will remain. Then the verb will be in the third form. Chocolates are loved by her. Then present continuous tense. Is, are, am. This will show that it is present tense. Verb will be in the ing form, which will show it is continuous tense. I am enjoying holidays. In the passive voice, is, are, am will remain as it is. Being will be added. Being will be added. This is something very important, children. Please remember, in present continuous or in past continuous, being will be added. In the perfect tense, been will be added. These two important rules you have to remember. Holidays are being enjoyed by us. Then present perfect tense. Has or have plus third form of the verb. Raju has finished the work. Then in passive form, has or have plus been plus third form of the verb. The work has been finished by Raju. Simple past tense. Verb will be in the second form. Either D will be added or ED or did. I bought this dress. Here bought is the second form of the verb. It will change into passive voice. Was or were will be added because it is past tense, and the verb will be in the third form. The dress was bought by me. This is the type of passive voice in the simple past tense. Then past continuous tense. Was or were plus verb first form plus ing. Her friends were celebrating her birthday. How you will write in the passive form? Was or were will be written as it is because it is past tense. It is continuous, so being will be added and the third form of the verb. Her birthday was being celebrated by her friends. See, her friends was the subject. Now it has taken the place of the object. Past perfect tense. Had plus verb third form. They had killed the lion. Had plus killed. Killed here is the third form of the verb. How you will write in the passive voice? Had plus been plus third form of the verb. I had told you in the present perfect also been will be added. In past perfect also been will be added. The lion had been killed by them. Simple future. Will or shall because they denote future tense and first form of the verb. I shall make breakfast today. Make is the first form of the verb. While changing into passive voice, will or shall plus be plus third form of the verb. Breakfast shall be made by me today. Future perfect tense. Will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb. She will have booked the ticket. In the passive voice, will or shall you will write because it is future tense. Have plus been plus third form of the verb to show that it is perfect tense. The tickets will have been booked by her. Then in modal verbs also we use active and passive. You can solve the puzzle. Can is the modal verb. Solve is the first form of the verb. How you will change into passive voice? The puzzle can be solved by you. The puzzle will come in the place of the subject. So now it will become the subject. You will come in the later half of the sentence, that is the predicate part of the sentence, and the sentence will be the puzzle can be solved by you. So this is the way you are going to change the active voice into passive voice, keeping in mind the different tenses.